Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars, yes. In this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Friday, January the 15th, 2021. And the second Sudoku I will solve 2 out of 4 because I won't do all the 8 Sudokus. This Sudoku will be number 2169. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have counted all the stars Sudokus. All of them has 25 printed digits. So, yeah. Why I count them? Because first of all, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But it's not the only difficulty level you can measure, but also if a hard one or difficult puzzle, sometimes you have a lot of pairs, and if you have a lot of pairs, then the difficulty level will be increased. So it's not only the printed digits. It could be you have 28 or 29 printed digits, and there are a lot of pairs, so maybe you will solve them longer than normal. All right, less talking, let's continue. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? I see here 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We see here 2 and the 8 in the third column, so no 2 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square should be reserved for the numbers 7 and 5. Let me see here. Yeah, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes. And there, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then, 4, 1, 9. All right. How about the number 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9 are missing in the first column. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now, yes, in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about 1, 3, 8? Okay. I need a 7 in this row. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 4, and 8. 7, 4, and 8 in this row. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 here, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 8. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay, so now 1, 3, 6. Okay. 9. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1, number 4. 1, 3, 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Okay. How about, do we have all the 5s? No. 5. Okay. How about the 7? missing numbers. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. These two numbers in this big square, 1 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 3. Here also 1 and a 3. And the 8 should be there. These two numbers in the first row, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers are 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 8. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 3 is missing, 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, and 9 in this big square. We see here the 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 box, no 2 box, 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes, a little bit slower than the previous Sudoku in 13 minutes. But I'm very, very pleased with the time. The time for a 4-star Sudoku. If it's a really 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes. But this time, 14 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased, and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget guys, you can also subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last two Sudokus. It will be a tectonic and a binary. See you later. Bye bye for now.